Step Ahead have recently moved their courses to an online platform, meaning you have the opportunity to study, meet new people, and ultimately get back into employment. Unlike many other online courses, you will be given a trainer who will take you through all the course material, support you all the way, and has made the sessions engaging and enjoyable for you to achieve all your goals.
My name's Olivia and I'm on the Personal Social Development course. I'm really enjoying it at the moment. I've met some great people. I've got a really lovely and helpful tutor.
If you want a good course which helps you with confidence, self-development, stop being afraid to go to job interviews, that's definitely Step Ahead.
We have over 8 years experience in delivering training and over 22 years experience in helping people like you find their next job. In that time, we've become renowned for our expertise and for our quality.
I've been to more than one courses in a long period of years. However, none of them did actually help me as this one. Thank you.
The course has helped me to reconnect on just loads of basic knowledge and everyday life skills, and I would highly recommend it to everyone, and I'd love to thank Step Ahead for having me.
We have really strong links with employers across London, and we're ready to help you find your next job right now.